The Huntington Chaise Sectional by Behold, in a rich brown faux leather look, in polyester and polyester blend, adds class, style, and comfort to any living space. This contemporary yet casual sectional is built to ensure long-lasting comfort and durability. The long-wearing fabric is soft to the touch, yet durable and easy to clean. The pillows make this group perfect for relaxing in any home. The combination sofa and chaise arrangement not only allows plenty of seating for all, it allows you to curl up or stretch out on a whim for that afternoon nap on the chaise. This low-profile sofa chaise sectional with its wide racetrack arms and dark stained block legs is the perfect way to bring more seating to smaller spaces. Tie the look together with 3 square accent pillows, 1 kidney-shaped accent pillow, and 2 rolled accent pillows, all in complementing and contrasting fabrics. The right arm-facing love seat measures 82 inches with a depth of 38 inches and 38 inches high. The left arm-facing chaise measures 42 inches wide, 67 inches deep, and 38 inches high. The total width side to side comes in at 124 inches. You'll find a great selection of sectionals all at a great price at the Great American Home Store. Shop online or visit one of our convenient locations.